Hello everyone, let's continue with the next machine. Let's see. So here machine is given that construct the minimal DFA, construct the minimal DFA, construct the minimal DFA, minimal DFA that accept set of all that accept set of all strings such that number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0, right? Mod 2 equal to 0 over the alphabet a comma b. Okay, over the alphabet a comma b. Yes, try to construct the DFA. Before that one, firstly tell me the language. Sorry, we can say string belongs to the language. What are the strings belongs to the language? And this is the language. Number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0. Yes, what are the strings possible? Okay, let me explain. So here it is given that construct the minimal DFA that accept set of all string such that number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0. Number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0 over the alphabet a comma b. So alphabets are a comma b and language is this one, number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0. So we can say number of a in w. Okay, it is null double a and just a minute. So it is a null double a ba means 2 length or 0 length. Yeah, maybe possible. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so next one is number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0. Number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0. So we can say here number of a that can be 0 or not. Let's see. So 0 mod 2, yeah, that's the right. So 0 mod 2 is 0. So there will be the 0 length string. So 0 length string, that is a null. Okay, after that 1 mod 2, that is a 1. So it is not equal to 0, so not possible. So this case is not possible. What about 2 mod 2? 2 mod 2, that is equal to 0 and remainder is 0, means it is the possible case. So here it is possible. 2 length that can be a a a b. Okay, number of a means there is a condition over the a and there is no condition over the b. It means number of a that can be 2, right? Number of a that can be 2. right now, because it is saying number of a in w mod 2 equal to 0. So number of a, that can be 2. 2 means it can be aa. And next, what about b? बी पे कोई कंडीशन है क्या? बिकॉज देर इज नो कंडीशन ओवर बी. सो बी कैन बी एनी नंबर. B can be any number, but if it is a, it will be either null, means 0 length, or it can be 2 length, or it can be 4 length, and so on. Means here it can be single b, it can be double b, it can be triple b also, and so on. After that it can be double a, after that b, or it can be aba, or it can be b double a, and so on, right? Means number of a are 2, so here number of a's are 2. Okay, what about next? It is 3 mod 2. 3 mod 2 equal to 1. It is not possible. 3 mod or it is 4 mod 2. 4 mod 2 equal to 4 mod 2, 2 equal to, it is 0, right? So here it is possible. So we'll take the 4 length string. 4 length string means we'll take the 4 number of a. ठीक है, 4 length string में क्या आ जाएगा? 4 number of a, that can be possible. b कितने भी हो सकते हैं, there is no condition over b. So we can say here it is 4 time a, that is possible. Or it can be 4 time a, then b, or it can be b after that 4 time a, and so on, all the combinations. Or by this one you can observe here 0, 0 number of a, 2 number of a, 4 number of a, after that there will be 6 number of a, after that 8 number of a, 10 number of a. So we can say here it is the even number of a's. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे क्या होंगे? there will be the even number of a's. even number of a's, a क्या होंगे? that will be even number, राइट? तो इवन नंबर ऑफ एज होंगे यहाँ पे. सो फाइनली व्हाट विल बी द मशीन? मशीन क्या बनेगी? लेट्स सी. बताना जरा कितनी स्टेट्स बनेगी? हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स विल बी देयर? यस, हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स विल बी देयर? 2 states. Yeah, that may be possible. What about others? So Anu saying 3. uh, I think 2 is sufficient. Okay, let's see. So what is the minimal string? That is a null. Okay, null is the minimal string, or we can say b, or we'll look for the double a, or we'll look for double b, and so on. So let me start with null. So null can be this one. We'll take initial state, right? Let me say q node, and q node is also the final state. It means it will accept the null. Okay, after that it will accept double a, or after that it is accepting 4 time a, means it is accepting double a, 4 time a, and so on. So double a means, can I say this one? After sorry, from q node it will read a, and it will go to q1, and from q1 it will read a again, it will read a again, and it will go to q naught, and q naught is the final state. It means it can accept 2 times a. It can accept 2 times a, and it can accept 4 times a. How it is accepting 2 times a? First time it will read this one from state q naught, and it will go to q1. After that it will read from q1, and it will start from this. Okay, just a minute. Firstly, what will happen? We are on q naught. From q naught it will read a, and it will go to q1. From q1 it will read a and go to q naught, and q naught is the final state. It means it will accept double a. What about next one? 4 time a. So 4 time a means, for time a means we can say here it will start from q naught, so it is a 1 time a. After that it will read again 2 times, again 3 times, again 4 time, and it will go to final state. It means it is accepting 4 time a also, right? So these transitions are valid. Now because here on q naught there is a transition for a, but there is no transition for b, means there will be the dead configuration. So can I take the loop of b here? Yes, can I take the loop of b? Let's check. So loop of b means it will accept a single b. Yes, single b means from q naught I will start, and after that I will read b, and we are on q naught, and q naught is the final state. It means it will accept b, so it is valid. What about 2 times b? 2 times b means we'll start from initial state, we'll read b, and one more time we'll read b, means 2 times we have read b, and now we are on q naught. q naught is the final state, again it is accepting. ठीक है, तो फिर से क्या कर रही है? एक्सेप्ट हो रहा है. व्हाट अबाउट 3 टाइम? तो यहाँ पे लूप लगा दिया, मतलब कि बी कितने भी टाइम आ सकता है, बिकॉज देर इज नो कंडीशन ओवर द बी, राइट? तो बी कितने भी टाइम आ सकता है. इट मीन्स फाइनली बी, लूप ऑफ बी इज पॉसिबल हियर ऑन क्यू नॉट. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब अब यहाँ पे डेड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन नहीं है, चॉइस भी नहीं है, नल मूव भी नहीं है. व्हाट अबाउट नेक्स्ट वन? क्यू वन. ऑन क्यू वन देर इज ए नो ट्रांजिशन फॉर बी. बी के लिए कोई ट्रांजिशन नहीं दे रखा. इट मीन्स कैन आई टेक लूप हियर? कैन आई टेक द लूप ऑफ बी हियर? So let me check. Initially there will be the a. After that there can be the multiple b or not. Yes, there may be the multiple b. After that it will read a. After that it will read a and go to q naught. It means q naught is the final state, and it will accept this string. It will accept this string. इसका मतलब ये b का लूप यहाँ पे भी क्या है? पॉसिबल है, राइट? यहाँ पे भी b का लूप क्या है? पॉसिबल है. सो फाइनली देर इज a no dead configuration on q1 also, and no null move, no choice. So we can say this is the finally minimal DFA for this language. Okay, so this is the final minimal DFA for the given language. Now you can take any string and you can verify it will accept all the strings that belongs to the language, right? It will accept all the string that belongs to the language. You can check any of the string, and it will not accept the language which doesn't belongs to the language. Okay, it will not accept the string which doesn't belongs to the language. So finally we can say this is the valid DFA, and which is the minimal DFA. And in the minimal DFA there will be the two state here. Okay, so now tell me, it is clear or not? Yes, it is clear or not? Clear. Okay, what about others? Okay, clear. Oh, fine. Now let's see the next machine. So next machine is what? Here it is number of a in w, number of a in w mod 3 equal to 0. Number of a in w mod 3 equal to 0. So this is the language given. Okay, so this one is language. For this language, what will be the machine? Okay, or we can say for this language, what will be the minimal dfa? What will be the minimal dfa over the alphabet, over the alphabet a comma b, over the alphabet a comma b? So alphabet is a comma b. Yes. So firstly tell me, what will be the language here, or we can say what will be the string in the language? Okay, so what are the string in the language? Oh, that may be right. That is the number of a's. Number of a can be 0, or number of a that can be 3, that can be 6, 9, and so on. Okay, let me start. So here it is number of a in w mod 3 equal to 0. So number of a in w, number of a that can be 0. Let me say 0 mod 3, that is equal to 0. Yes, there can be 0 number of a, and there is no condition over the b. b पे कोई condition नहीं दे रखी, right? condition किस पे है? a पे दे रखी है. there is a no condition over the alphabet b. so we can say there is a null. Possible or not? Yes, null is possible. What about next one? 1 mod 3. 1 mod 3, that is equal to 1. After that 2 mod 3, that is equal to 2. So this one not possible, not possible. What about next one? 3 mod 3. 3 mod 3 equal to 0. So remainder is 0, means this is the possible case, right? Remainder is 0, possible case. Next time 4 mod 3. 4 mod 3, that is equal to 1. 5 mod 3, that is equal to 2. 6 mod 3, that is equal to 0. Again, this is the possible case, and these are not possible. Okay, so there can be the 0 number of a, there can be 3 number of a, there can be 6 number of a, and after that if you observe this pattern, there can be 9 number of a, after that 12 number of a, and after that 15 number of a, and so on. So we can say this is nothing but a multiple of a, multiple of 3, right? It is nothing but multiple of 3, multiple of 3 a's. Okay, so it is multiple of 3 a's, or we can say number of a's are divisible by 3. Or we can say number of a's are divisible by 3, divisible by 3, right? We can say this one also. So number of a that can be 0. What is the condition of b? There is no condition. So b can be single b, there can be double b, there can be triple b, and so on, right? After that, number of a that can be 3. Number of a can be 3, means triple a, or it can be triple a, after that b, there can be b, after that triple a, after, and it can be a b, a means triple a. Again it can be a a b a, or it can be a b, and so on. Or it can be 6 time a, 6 time a, 9 time a, and combination of 6 time a with b, and combination of 9 time a with b, and so on. So this is the pattern, right? This is the pattern of the strings. Now we'll try for the number of states. How many states will be there in the minimal dfa, right? How many states will be there in the minimal DFA? Can you try for this one? Okay, number of states that are 3. Yeah, 3 may be the right answer. Okay, let's check. So initially we are looking for the acceptance of null. So here it is the initial state, and initial state is also the final state, and let me say it is q naught, and it will accept the null. So null is accepting. After that, what is happening? It can accept a single b, double b, triple b, and so on. Can I take the loop of b? Yes, it will accept the single b, double b, triple b, and so on. By taking this loop, then it is valid. What about next one? It can accept 3 time a. 3 time a means here we'll take another state, that is q1, and we'll read a and go to q1. After that, there can be another state, that is q2. From this one also we'll read a and go to q2, and from this one there can be the transition of a, right? There can be the transition of a, right? And we'll go to the final state. So it will accept triple time a. How? So it will accept triple time a. How it is accepting? Initially from q naught we'll read a and go to q1. After that, again from q1 we'll read a and go to q2, and after that again from q2 we'll read a and go to q naught, and q naught is the final state. Q naught is final state, so we can say it is accepting triple time a. Okay, if it is accepting triple time a, then now we'll look for the transition of b on q1. q1 का q1 पे b का transition कहाँ पे होगा? Can I take the loop of this one? Can I take loop of b here? Is it possible? Yeah, it may be possible. How? We can say from this one it will read a. After that, there can be the multiple times of b. So firstly it will read a, after that can be the multiple time of b. After that it will read again a, and after that it will read again a, and it will go to final state. So three number of a are possible or not? Yes, three number of a are possible. Means b, on the b there is no condition. It can be the zero number of b, there can be one number of b, two number of b, and it can be the 3 and 4, so on. So it is also the possible string. So we can say we can take the loop of b, right? Now let's see the next thing. There is a no transition for b on the q2. Can I take loop again here? Okay, so we'll have to check this one. So how to check? Initially there can be the single a from this one, single a. Let me say a. After that again it is reading a. Okay, after that there can be the multiple time b or not. Let me say multiple time b's. Okay, after that it will read a and go to final state. It will go to final state, means 3 time a again, and 3 time a it is possible. 3 time a is possible, right? So finally we can say here there is a transition for b, or we can say we can take the loop of b. We can take the loop of b. Now if we observe that there is a null move or not? No, there is no null move. There is a choice or not? No, there is no choice. What about dead configuration? There is a dead configuration on q naught or not? No, there is no dead configuration on q naught, because transition for b is given and transition for a is also given. What about q1? On q1 also it is not a dead configuration, because transition for b and a both given. Here also transition for b and a given, means there is no dead configuration. So we have checked it is satisfying all the characteristics of the DFA. So finally we can say it is the minimal DFA. So this one is the minimal DFA, and it will accept all the strings that belongs to the language. You can take any string and it will accept. You can take any string out of these strings, it will definitely accept that string. And you can take another string which doesn't belongs to the language, it will not accept that string. Let me say it is a 2 time a. and B. So this string doesn't belongs to the language because 2 times A, it is not possible. So let me check. So firstly it will read A from this one, so from Q0 it will read A and go to Q1. After that again read A, so it will read A and go to Q2. After that it will read B and go to Q2, and Q2 is not the final state, right? Q2 is not a final state, it means it will not accept this string, right? So it means we can say this given DFA is a valid one because it is not accepting this string. Why? Because it doesn't belongs to the language. If it is not accepting this language, it means it is also verified that it is not accepting the wrong strings, right? So finally we can say this is the minimal DFA and this is the valid DFA with 3 number of state. Now tell me, it is clear or not? Yes, it is clear or not? Okay, good. Okay, good. Let's see the next one. Let's see the next one. So next machine is this one. Construct the minimal DFA. Construct the minimal. Construct the minimal DFA which will accept the string, which will accept the string which will accept the string where number of A in W, number of A in W, number of A in W mod 2 equal to 0, and number of B in W, number of B in W mod number of B in W mod 2 equal to 0. Yes, try to construct this DFA. Okay, you can construct this DFA later. Let me say it is homework for you. ओके, तो ये वाला क्या रहेगा, होमवर्क रहेगा। घर से ट्राई करके देखना कितनी नंबर ऑफ स्टेट्स बनेगी और क्या मशीन बनेगी इसके लिए, राइट? तो घर से ट्राई करके देखना। लेट मी टेक द अनदर मशीन। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज next one, construct the minimal DFA. Construct minimal DFA DFA which contain A, which contain A, which contain A, right? Construct the minimal DFA which contain A. okay, over the alphabet, over the alphabet a comma b, राइट। तो क्या करना है, डीएफए कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, और उसमें क्या बोला है, डीएफए दैट कंटेन ए, और ओवर द अल्फ़ाबेट ए कॉमा बी। Yes, firstly tell me what will be the string in the language. What are the string in the language? Firstly tell me. Okay, that may be the possible. Yes. Let's see the language. So construct the minimal DFA that contain a. Contain a means in the every string there will be a. A can be single a, that can be the double a, triple a, any combination, right? But definitely there will be a. So containing a means there can be the single a, okay, there can be the double a, there can be a and b, there can be b and a, or it can be triple time a. Yes, or it can be a b a, or it can be b a a a b a, and so on. Means in the every string definitely there will be a, and there is no condition over b. ठीक है, बी पे कोई कंडीशन है नहीं, बट ए पे कंडीशन है कि डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे ए होगा। मतलब कंडीशन ये है कि डेफिनेटली क्या होगा, स्ट्रिंग में ए होगा, राइट। लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी द लैंग्वेज। कैन यू टेल मी हाउ मैनी स्टेट्स विल बी देयर, हाउ मैनी स्टेट्स विल बी देयर इन द मिनिमल डीएफए? Two states, yeah, that may be. Okay, let me construct the machine. So here minimal string is a, so it should accept string a. Let me take a state q naught, that is the initial state. From this one we'll read a and go to the next state, that is the final state. Let me say q1. So it is accepting a, okay, it is accepting a, okay. After single a there can be the one more a, after that can be b. After single a there can be the double a, after single a there can be the b or a. After, or it in starting there can be the double a, sorry, single b and double a, and so on. Okay, so these are the patterns. Okay, so what can we say here? We can say, can we take the loop of this one q naught? On q naught can we take the loop of b? Is it possible? Let's see. Initially there can be the single b, after that a is possible, yes. Or after we can take multiple b, after that a is possible or not? Yes, it is possible. There can be the multiple B. After that we'll read A and go to final state, it will accept. It means this is the valid one, so we can take the loop here. After that so here there is a not add configuration because we have taken the transition for A and B both. Now we'll check for this one. There is a dead configuration, so can we take the loop of A? Yes, we can take the loop of A because after 1A there can be the 2A, there can be the 3A, 4A, 5A and so on. Okay, can I take B also? Yes, we can take the loop of B because after A, after single A there can be the any combination of AB. It can be AB. After A it can be BA also. After A it can be double B also, or any combination. It means we can take the loop of this one, A comma B, right? So finally we can say this is the minimal DFA where there is a no choice, no dead configuration and a no null move. Finally this is the minimal DFA for the given language. Now tell me, is it clear or not?